Hello everyone, today we talk about the Ethereum, mother of alt season and still in struggle, and the Nasdaq Fibonacci 0.6, the update. Okay, first of all, before we talk about the Ethereum in here, I want to talk about the Nasdaq. As I told you previously, as the Nasdaq still in a downtrend, but last week the Nasdaq can close up around the 8% in a week and the people call about the alt season. No, for now, I don't think that alt season is coming soon. Why? Okay, first look, whenever we hit this upper Bollinger Band, so this is the Bollinger Band, just the normal Bollinger Band. You can find in what I mean in the chart. Just type the Bollinger Band, and the next is you get this one. And look, whenever we stay in this, it's always bull run. Whenever stay in this, we always bull run, always bull run. But now look, whenever we hit the bottom in here, so we are still in downtrend. Even if we going to up, if you are zooming, look in here, the upper Bollinger Band in here, it's going up again, going down in the mid Bollinger Band, up again, going to back to mid, going up again. Also in here, mid Bollinger Band going up again. That's why there is a possibility we hit this one, so still going up to the into this one and then just reject it again. Therefore, when you draw to this one until this one, 0.618 is around this level, and we exactly pump in here. But the pump in here doesn't mean that we are back to bullish. Maybe after the pump, that can bounce and continue going down. And when it's continue going down, it can hit to 0.5 in here. It's still possibility because until the May, as I told you that we never gonna see the full run. Maybe going to uptrend it's still possible, but just a big sideways for the Bitcoin. That's the update for the Nasdaq. So we are still in this level, either to this level like the double bottom, or maybe just to going up, or maybe just to going to crash to 0.5 to around 11 and 600 for the Nasdaq. And what's about the Bitcoin? The people say that the Bitcoin is the mother of the alt season. Yes, I agree. But if you think that the alt season is coming soon, I'm so sorry. I'm not uh, just to spread the fear, but I want to tell you that you need to calm down because the alt season gonna coming soon this year. Maybe in the Q2, oh I mean the Q3, around the June, or maybe around the September, because Bitcoin and Ethereum need to fly first, right, before the alt season. But remember, you have these two lines. The first line is the white color is the moving average 20 week, and the red one is the exponential moving average 34. And look, when the crash in May, we ever hit this one, pump, we going to back to this red line, pump, and rejected in the white, rejected again, and from the red we ever break a bit, but we back to plus. And even in the September pump, we retest and fly. But now look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejected from the red one. And the next is, can we break this one or even break the white color? That's the question. That's 100 question, but for me, it's up to you whether you follow or not. But the economic is very very bad. You know the inflation is going to up, interest rate is going to up, even if there is a pump. Look, from here, from the 1745 in here, it's as ever pump almost 100% right from this level to this level. However, after the pump, what happening? Going down again, creating the double bottom. That's why even there is a pump, I'm still optimistic that we are still going down, right? Either double bottom in here or even lower. But it's not the end of the bull run. What you need is the time. The time is in yours. You just need to be calm down and you need to understand that the economic is bad. Therefore, you need to waiting until the June. Before the June, everything can be happen. Maybe it can going up or maybe retest in the number one in here, but still rejected because the whales haven't entered. If you asking about like the plan B or maybe the Bitcoin and everything, they always said, even in here, even in November in here, they said Bitcoin 100K by December. And what's happening? They just dump the coin on you, right? If you're following them, you die. Why? Because you watch those people said in November they said the Bitcoin going to 100K by December. The fact after they told you in here the dump is happening until now. And today those people said 100K Bitcoin what? In Kyoto? If you said the Kyoto is 100K Bitcoin, that's very crazy. Even the Ethereum for 10,000. That's why you need to just calm down and remember about the time cycle that I post you the June or the July. So we just start the bull run. I'm still optimistic that the Ethereum going to 10K, but it's not now. Now maybe going to retest and going down. So for example in here, even it is going to down, we can fly. So maybe we retest in the number two, like this one, fail. Now maybe it still fail and we're going to down again, and then after that we can. That's why I'm still waiting the crash, and even the Ethereum, the mother of the altcoin, still in the struggle. Maybe you can see about the Luna. The Luna is doing so well because they can back to all-time high. But remember, you cannot predict 100% about the altcoin. The altcoin has their own whales. The whales in Luna is very good. But how you pick about top 50 market cap, how you define that Luna is good or not, or maybe like the Theta is good or not, or maybe like Cardano good or not. That's why you need to remember about the Bitcoin and the Ethereum because they both of them is like the dad and the mom. And the last is about the Bitcoin. The people said you have this red line. They said, oh, we break, we retest, confirm as the support, and we fly. In the March, those people said we fly. Even the palm in the February in here. Look, we confirm as a retest, this red line, and we fly. One day, Bitcoin fly 14% one day. And what next? Just going to sideways. It's not confirm the support and fly. Right? It's just going to sideways. And if you look, we still in the struggle about this yellow line. Yellow line is about exponential moving average 34. So same like the Ethereum in here. We are still in the struggle in here. That's why if you say that we are bullish, okay, you can buy now. You can just buy. Just don't follow my advice, right? But for me, I'm still waiting the tip. It's possible that after you draw this line, going to fly and maybe back to in here. So around the 28, 27 in here you can buy the tip, or maybe you can buy the tip around 33. So just going to sideways like this. That's why I'm still waiting. I think I will start deciding what next after the March. Maybe mid-April or maybe the early first week, second week in the April. I will decide. But for now, I'm still waiting in the closely monthly for the monthly chart. Why? Because the March always bad for the Bitcoin, right? You can see in the chart that every March always down. That's why just chill and uh, don't afraid if you miss the bull run because the bull run is not started until the June. As per my time cycle, you can check my time cycle. There are so many times about. That's why still waiting and just calm down for now. Okay, I think that's for today. Just another boring videos because the market still sideways. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you.